These are 4 exciting quests happening right now on Base that you don't want to miss. When you complete this quest, it could be very rewarding in the near future. Now, on the 9th of August, which is on Wednesday, Base mainnet will be open to all, and Base is a layer 2 network launched by Coinbase with the goal of bringing in 1 billion users to DeFi. And Coinbase at this time has over 110 million active users. Number 1 quest is the On-Chain Summer quest. This quest was created by one of Base team members. To participate, you need to bridge your ETH mainnet directly from onchainsummer.xyz or any bridge that supports the Base mainnet. Once you have done this, you're able to mint an NFT that commemorates your status as an early adopter of the Base mainnet. This NFT is a valuable collectible that could also be worth something in the near future. So if you want to be an early adopter of Base, I recommend you participate in this quest. Yesterday, Brian Armstrong, the CEO of Coinbase, tweeted about minting this NFT. Take note that you only have 27 days to mint this NFT, so you have to act quickly. The next quest is Galxe quest, which Base just launched a campaign on. It is a leading platform for establishing Web3 communities with over 11 million users. The base quest on Galxe consists of 7 tasks in total, including participating in Galxe's passport to prove that you are not a robot or a Sibyl, 2 various social media tags, and finally minting the bridge to Base NFT from the On-Chain Summer mission. Completing this quest awards you 100 points on Galxe as well as an entry into a raffle for 0.0005 ETH on the Base mainnet. The next quest is Layer 3. It's a platform that helps users learn, explore, and succeed in Web3. They have partnered with Base to offer a quest that consists of 4 tasks. 1 is learning about Base network, 2 taking a quiz about Base, 3 following Base on Twitter, and 4 minting the commemorative NFT on On-Chain Summer, which represents Base early adopters. If you complete this quest, you receive a box, 200x Layer 3 points, and 0.0005 ETH on the Base network. And lastly is Mint.Fun quests. Mint.Fun partner with Base to offer users free 0.000 ETH on the Base mainnet. To participate, you need to go to Mint.Fun, connect your ETH wallet containing ETH mainnet, search for bridge to Base NFT, and mint it. After minting this NFT, you will immediately receive 0.00084 ETH on Base mainnet. Note that bridge to Base NFT on Mint.Fun is different from the commemorative early adopter NFT on On-Chain Summer. I would recommend that after minting bridge to Base NFT on Mint.Fun, you should also go back to mint the one on onchainsummer.xyz. Completing all 4 of these quests makes you an early adopter of Base. They are really easy to do and they could be worth a lot in the near future. If you want a step-by-step guide on how this is done, join us on Telegram. We hold DeFi classes 3 times a week and trading classes 3 times a week as well. The link will be in the description. Now, to join the trading class, you have to create a BYBIT account first, verify the account and fund it. The link is also in the description. Now, one more thing that you might want to ask. Still on Base, some persons may argue that Base got off on a wrong foot because of the lit swap and bowed rock pool, which were tied to one of the Base team members. But I don't want to overstate this. The Base mainnet was initially only available to developers at that time. Either way, there's no doubt that the full launch of Base mainnet will be a major event and early users will be rewarded. Guys, I'll see you in my group and in the next video.